Hello, Midofupa. The other day I made this Suyalised chicken wings served with some Suyalised sauted bell peppers. It was so good that my little one, my 3-year-old, enjoyed it so much. I caught him on camera just, munching on this Suyalised chicken wings, and it was really tasty to the bone. So as you can see, he really enjoyed it. And you know what? You've got to try it, right? You have to try it. He enjoyed it so much that it just knocked him right out after eating it. So I just thought this recipe needs to be shared. I need to let you have it so that your friends and your family, most importantly your family, can enjoy it. So let me just show you how I made it. For this Suyalised chicken wings, I used 2 packs of chicken wings, the juice of 1 lemon, After Village Kitchen's 10 spice blend, and Suya pepper. The Suya pepper will be on the market very soon. So yes, or any other Suya pepper you can get your hands on. So this chicken wings had been cleaned when I bought it. The wing tips and extra feathers had been cleaned, but if what you are using has not been cleaned, please do clean it. So to the chicken wings, I added the juice of 1 lemon. And then I added some salt to taste, about a teaspoon of salt. And I added 2 teaspoons of After Village Kitchen's 10 spice blend and 4 teaspoons of After Village Kitchen's Suya pepper. A link for the full recipe will be in the description box. So basically I used 1 teaspoon of After Village Kitchen's 10 spice blend and 2 teaspoons of Suya pepper per pack, the standard store chicken wings pack. I think it's about 1 kg. So I mixed everything up and covered it with cling film, and it went straight into my fridge, and I allowed it to season overnight. But if you've got some couple of hours, that will also be good, but preferably overnight to develop all the flavors. So the next day I got out my chicken wings, I allowed it to come to room temperature and preheated my oven to about 200 degrees Celsius. So I put my chicken wings on a tray lined with aluminium foil. You could also use parchment paper. I usually prefer parchment paper, but if you haven't got it, aluminium foil or maybe straight onto your oven trays. So yes, I'm not losing any seasoning. Everything else went into my chicken, and then I placed them in my oven for it to bake, or you can use the grill function. Whilst I was baking, I proceeded to make my sauteed Suyalised bell peppers. So for that I used ghee. Here my preference was ghee because I love the nutty taste it comes with it. But equally you can use coconut oil, olive oil, or palm kernel oil, my next favorite. So any choice of oil will actually do. Just warm it up and proceed to saute your onions. For this bell pepper saute, I used 1 medium-sized white onion and half each of the red, yellow and green bell pepper. So basically I sauteed the onion so that it had a charred effect I wasn't looking for it to soften too much. So when you put that onions in the pan, allow it to just sit for about a minute to have that charred effect before you stir. And then I added in the bell peppers, some suya pepper, and some salt to taste. I gently mixed it all up, tossing it a little at a time, also allowing it to sit for some couple of seconds for that charred effect to happen, but also tossing it to make sure the suya pepper and the salt mixes in nicely and every bit of that pepper mix gets to have a bit of flavor. It is really easy. Just let the heat do its thing and be gentle. It only took about 2 minutes to make this, as I was after a crunchy bite to the peppers. So I turned off my heat, took it off the heat, and let it cool down. So I checked on my chicken wings and it was ready for my second treatment. That was a mix of suya pepper and oil. I brushed this on the chicken wings and re-baked it. I will recommend that you do this step. It gives it extra flavor. Alternatively, you can just sprinkle the suya pepper on the chicken and just put it back in the oven. That is also really good. I do that sometimes. So I put it back in the oven for another couple of minutes for it to brown, and it came out so beautifully. You should have been in my kitchen to smell the aroma and everything that was going on. It was just so good. Just look at my chicken wings. Beautiful, juicy, tasty. Oh, it was lovely. So as you could see, my little one, he really enjoyed it. Usually he will not even touch a chicken bone unless I am holding it. So yeah, it was good. So for this chicken wings, I really wanted some fried yams to go with it, but in the current lockdown situation and with no yams, I used what I had, and that was oven fries, and I put that on my tray, same tray as the one I made the chicken wings on, and I baked it and I served it up with this Suyalised chicken wings and Suyalised sauteed bell peppers. We really enjoyed it. It was so good, and I hope you and your family will love it. You will try it and you will come back to me with your comments. So thank you for watching, and as always I say, be appreciative in your current situation, make the most of it, and have a wonderful time whilst you are at it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification button, because I have more recipes, delicious recipes coming your way. This is a Suyalised chicken wings stew that I made with my other tray of chicken wings. It is coming right soon to you, so don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification button. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.